diya sa balkon. Nagluto siya. Itlog.
Wow.
Kain tayo.
What is it?
Yan. Hindi ako makaon. Hi. Ang ako niya palangga. Hi, palangga. Si hi.
Oh, hi. Didn't you there?
Hi, Dia. Ang palangga ko gusto na mahampang sa terrace sa ibhan ko. Tidya ako. Napungko lang ako diya subong. Hi. Still laying there.
I'm not
Look at that.
playing.
Yeah.
I'm fixing my friend. I know you're busy, okay? Don't you forget to water the plants
Later after eating, okay?
after I eat?
Yeah.
After I eat, okay? Because I want to water.
May nadumduman ako kadyang uga. Tatlo kami mag-friend. Ginaduho ko dyang uga, ginaduho na magkaon. Madto kami sa balay nanda. Asa dyang ulo, nakaon naman. We will eat this ulo. Tang ulo nga dyan, madto kami sa balay nanda nakaon namon. Ginaduho namon yung tatlo.
Yarn this.
Yeah, later. Asa dyang mga sikag-sikag na dyan, dayang mga sikag na dyan. Huwag gidit na bilhin ka na mong tatlo, ubos na mo kaon. Tatlo kaming mga amiga kang college namon. So, ginaduruho namo dyan tatlo, isa, duha, tatlo, parisan kadahon udag. Kumahimuon kaming project sa balay nanda. So, ang duha ka friend ko, successful. Ako ay nag-successful. Okay lang. Okay lang. Importante nga good health lang. So, parisa na mo kudag. Asa dyang mga sikag-sikag nga dya. Dyang mga tinaing dya. Wajat nagkarabilin kang una. Ubos kita. Mundak siksik. Kaunta.
Wow. Rainy day, when are we gonna go inside? Can we just eat here?
I know why.
I promise I won't drop any rice.
We will try. We will try again to eat the ulo of the uga.
Nay Bing.
Yeah. Ilubong sa kanon.
Nay Bing.
Tulad. Kamuon ka dyan.
Bing. Bing.
Yeah.
Can
Crunchy litson.
Nay Bing. Nay Bing, I know you're taking a video. Sorry to interrupt. Can we eat here? I promise I really won't
No.
drop any rice.
No. Not allowed here, baby.
Why? You're eating here.
Nanay Bing is so fast lang.
But why?
It's done na already. Because you're here, that is why I'm here also. I'm just go here with you because nobody is staying here with you.
Except for Ghost Town.
It's dangerous that you go here without me. That is why I'll be here, even I'm eating. Okay? Because I love you.
Video pa. Hello!
Because we have patapos na.